The topic for today is, as promised before, rational numbers. I know we have studied about rational numbers in our lower standards, but let us revise something about rational numbers. The set of rational numbers is represented by the capital letter Q because Q stands for the word quotient. In alphabets, single rational number is represented as R, small r. You can see capital Q for set of rational numbers, small r for one single rational number. The definition of rational numbers. R is a rational number if, remember small r is a rational number if it can be represented as P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. You remember that number line? P and Q are integers. Second, P and Q don't have a common factor. They should not cancel each other. And thirdly, Q should not be equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. In that case, P upon Q, as you can see, is a rational number. Let us take two very simple examples of rational numbers. The first, 3 upon 7, right? So 3 and 7, what are they? 3 and 7 are integers. They don't have a common factor, they cannot cancel each other. And that 7 is not 0. Denominator is not 0. So 3 upon 7 is a rational number. If you have understood what are rational numbers, you can also understand what are irrational numbers, right? So let us take a look at what are irrational numbers. जो rational नहीं है sir, वो irrational है. Correct. So a number which cannot be represented as P upon Q if P and Q are not integers, if they have a common factor, if they don't satisfy, the numbers don't satisfy the definition of rational numbers, what are they? They are irrational numbers. Numbers which are not rational are irrational numbers. When you take the rational numbers and irrational numbers together, that set is called as real numbers. So, what does the set of real numbers contain? It contains rational numbers and it contains irrational numbers, and together they are called as real numbers. Let us take an example of irrational number. Root 3. Do you have a root of 3 in the fraction form? No. That's an irrational number. You may ask for root 9. But square root of 9 is 3 and 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. So that is a rational number. So in short, the topics we covered in this video are rational numbers, irrational numbers, the difference between them, and how together they are called as real numbers. If you have any doubts, don't forget to ask in the comments below. We will be solving your doubts after every videos, and as we get your comments for the next video about rational numbers and irrational numbers in the decimal form. You have to keep watching our videos. Thank you so much. Take care.